Fields whisper soft where shadows lay. Empty hills call the lost to stay. Leaves tremble quiet in the breeze. A world undone, brought to its knees. Chapel bell rings for no one here. Its song fades into the yesteryear. Through the mist a lone bird cries, under gray and weeping skies. Once we danced where the meadows sigh. Now we watch as memories die. Everybody's gone, no voices remain. Echoes of laughter dissolve in the rain. The heart of the vale beats hollow and slow, yearning for faces it used to know. The violin weeps where the wildflowers grow. The choir hums songs from a long ago glow. Time stands still, yet it slips away. Pastoral dreams in